What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I had to make a stop at Target because my clearance senses was tinkling and something was telling me go to Target because they have a lot of clearance stuff, which they did, y'all. Practically the whole hair care aisle was on clearance, but unfortunately I didn't get none of those items, but I did get some clearance items and I did a little couponing, and if y'all want to check it out, stay tuned. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. And if you are watching and not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is practically free. Free for me, free for you. It does help out my channel a lot. So I'm not going to say free for me, but it's free for you. So let's get into this video. Y'all, I've been so depressed. I feel like giving up on my channel, but I'm not going to leave y'all hanging like that. But it hits different when you don't have a car and you are used to having a car and you gotta depend on everybody for everything. Y'all, I'm not cut like that. I'm used to getting out, getting it on my own, doing stuff for myself, not having to ask nobody for nothing. So y'all, I've been in the dumps lately, but something's just telling me to go ahead, do this video, get these deals out, and leave it alone. Leave it up to God. He got me. So, with that being said, let's get into these couponing deals starting off at Target. Okay, y'all, here are some items I had coupons for at Target that was real cheap out of pocket. So we are gonna be starting off with the Dove deodorant, and as y'all can see, this is a holiday scent, the hot cocoa swirl. It was $3.99 with $2 off, making it just $1.99. Then on the Irish Spring, it was $4.99 with $2 off, making it $2.99. The Dove Men's Care was $7.99 with $2 off, making it $5.99. Then we have the Downy Wrinkle Releaser. It was $5.07 on sale, and we had $1.50 off, making it $3.57. And the Mr. Clean Freak, they have a sale where if you buy certain cleaning items, you get 25% off. So this was $4.52. I had $1 off, making it $3.52. And then the Dawn Power Wash was $3.99 with $2 off, making it $1.99. The Tide Stain Remover was $3.16 on sale with $1 off, making it $2.16. The Lysol air sanitizer was on clearance for $3.64. I had $1 off, making it $2.64. Then the Mason and Muse is a product that I've been wanting to try, and it was also a part of the buy one get one 25% off. So it was $2.71, and I didn't have a coupon for this item. Then on the Dawn Power says it was $4.99 with $2 off, making it $2.99. And then I had a $2.50 off on this small space. It was $1.99. So the coupon adjusted down to $1.99, making this absolutely free. So it's a lot of stuff, y'all, that is on sale, like on clearance at Target. Like I said, this Lysol was on clearance for $3.64, and these are normally almost $8. Then the small space is $1.99, and you know they like $3.50. Dove deodorant is like what, 5 to 7.99, and this was 3.99. So I do have some clearance items right here, and sale items, and items that I just used with coupons. So let's get into the next transaction I did. Okay, y'all, my next transaction was on these four gain items. They were well, all the laundry stuff and cleaning, well, not cleaning stuff, all the laundry stuff practically was buy one get one 40% off. So I looked at the receipt, and the big gains, they charged me $12.79 for those, and they were regular 15.99. And then for the game flings, they charged me $10.39 each, and they were originally $12.99. So the total for all four of these was $46.36, making each one of these $11.59 each. So if you ask me, I think that's a great deal. It would have been even better if they were 50% off, but I know I'm pushing it. So 40% it is this week at Target on the laundry items. Now let's get into the next and last transaction. Plus, I meant to tell y'all, for the first transaction y'all saw, they did give me 5% off as a birthday incentive, which was nothing but like $1.78. 5 whole percent, y'all. So if you are signed up for the Target Circle app, you will get 5% off on your birthday, or maybe something different. Who knows? But let's check out this next transaction, and this is basically clearance items. Okay, y'all. Here is items I got in my last transaction, and everything you see is clearance items. And we're gonna start off with the Downy Cozy collection. As you can see, it has the yellow clearance sticker for $6.28, but no ma'am, these were $3.69, and it was like three left. One of them somebody had opened up, had the top all jacked up, plus it seemed half empty, so I put that back. Then on the Lysol air sanitizer, which I just showed y'all one that I had a coupon on. This one was $3.64. All the Doves were $3.99. And ladies, if y'all are shopping in Target, check y'all body washes, because people in the store tend to open them up and get them all nasty and messed up. So now I gotta wash these off, so if I sell them, people won't think that I didn't use them or whatever. Because I know if I bought this from somebody, I'll be like, hold on now, they didn't use this. But yeah, they came looking like that. Then the Dove soap is even $3.99. So I got two of them. This Essential Mist diffuser was $3.94. And then the Airwick plug-ins was $3.69. And then on top of that, I got a $5 Target gift card, and that was if you buy four personal select personal care items, you will get a $5 gift card. And I guess it was from the Doves that I bought, so that's good. You can even buy clearance items and still get your $5 Target gift card. So that is y'all, basically my last transaction. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and can y'all please keep me in y'all prayers, because I need to be prayed up right about now, y'all, because like I said, I am really stressing out over here, but I'm gonna keep it together as much as possible. So like, comment, share, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.